In this video, we are going to see the remaining topics of the chapter 5 in Civics Judiciary. What is an independent judiciary? The Indian Constitution protects the citizens against the influence of the rich and powerful people by providing for the independence of judiciary. This is done by the separation of powers. It means that the other branches of the state like the legislature and the executive cannot interfere in the work of the judiciary. The courts are not under the government and do not act on their behalf. The Supreme Court and the High Court judges as appointed with very little interference from other branches of government. Once appointed, it's very difficult to remove a judge. It is the independence of the judiciary that allows the courts to play a central role in ensuring that there is no misuse of power by the legislature and the executive. The structure of courts in India. There are different levels of courts in India. There are several courts at the lower level, while there is only one at the apex level. The courts that most people interact with are what are called subordinate or district courts. These are usually at the district or the tehsil level or in towns, and they hear many kinds of cases. Each state is divided into districts that are presided over by a district judge. Each state has a high court, which is the highest court of that state. At the top is the Supreme Court that is located in New Delhi and is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. The decisions of the Supreme Court are binding on all other courts in India. This is the pyramid: District Court, High Court, then Supreme Court. In India, we have an integrated judicial system, meaning the decisions made by the higher courts are binding on the lower courts. Another way is through the appellate system that exists in India. This means that a person can appeal to a higher court if they believe that the judgment passed by the lower court is not. Question for this session. First question: what is an independent judiciary? This question you have to refer content book page number 56. Second, who was the Chief Justice of India in 2020? Third, write two sentences of what you understand about the appellate system. Fourth, list down the different names of subordinate court. And the last, draw the pyramid of the courts. The remaining topics of this lesson will be continued in video 3. Thank you, children.